Hello student, welcome to my channel Point 91. If you are new student, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Today discuss remaining important question. Let's start the class. See the first question. Which is the imaginary circle on two mating gear? On two mating gear. A pitch circle, B root circle, C base circle, D none of these. Right answer is A. Pitch circle. Next question. What is the range of metric screw thread? What is the range of metric screw thread dimension is measured by screw thread micrometer. By screw thread micrometer. So right answer M1, M6, M1, M12, M1 to M30. None of these. Right answer is B. MN to M12. Next question. How many fundamental tolerance grade are available? How many fundamental tolerance grade are available? 18 grade, 25 grade, 15 grade. None of these. Correct answer is A. 18 grade. Next question. What is the expression of 30 H7 by G6? What is the expression of 30 H7 G6? Fit, limit, deviation, tolerance. Right answer is A. Fit. And please subscribe my channel Point 91 and like the video. Next question. How chipped out scraper can be repaired? How chipped out scraper can be repaired? Lapping, chiseling, filing, none of these. The right answer is C. Filing. By filing. Next question. What H denote in the specification of grinding wheel? What H denote in the specification of grinding wheel? Here specification 32 A 46 H 8 V. What is the denote? Grain size, type of abrasive, grade, structure. Right answer is C. Grade. C. Grade. Next question. What is the include angle of metric V thread? What is the include angle of metric V thread? 45 degree, 29 degree, 60 degree. None of these. Right answer is C. 60 degree. 60 degree. Next question. Important and repeated question. Which is the formula to calculate the blank size of external thread? Which is the formula to calculate the blank size of external thread? A. D is equal to D minus P by 30. B. D is equal to D plus P by 10. D is equal to D into P by 10. Right answer is A. D is equal to D is equal to D minus P by 30. Next question. What will happen if the spindle running out of center while drilling? What happened if the spindle running out of center while drilling? Drill with break, oversized hole are made, drill are overheated, none of these. Right answer is B. Oversized hole are made when drill spindle out of center. Next question. What will happen if clearance angle of drill is more? What happens if the clearance angle of drill is more? Cutting edge will not be sharp. Cutting edge will be become weak. Cutting edge will not cut material. None of this. Right answer is B. Cutting edge will be become weak. The correct answer. Next question. What is the purpose of clearance angle in twist drill? What is the purpose of clearance angle in twist drill? A. Prevent oversized hole. Prevent unequal of cutting edge. Prevent friction of drill behind the cutting edge. None of these. Right answer is prevent friction of drill behind the cutting edge. C is the correct answer. Prevent friction of drill the cutting edge. Yeah, next question. Or please subscribe my channel. Point 91 and like the video. Next question. This is the figure. A tool. What is the name of tool? What is the name of tool? Reamer, spot facing, countersink tool. None of these. Right answer is C. Countersink tool. Next question. What is reason for rough hole in drilling? What is reason for rough hole in drilling? Clearance angle is incorrect. Drill point not in center. Unequal point thinning. Right answer is clearance angle is incorrect. A is the correct answer. Next question. Which standard fitting is used for joining pipeline of different diameter? Which standard fitting is used for joining pipeline of different diameter? Reducer, caps, plug, none of these. Right answer is reducer fitting. A is the correct answer. Reducer. Next question. Which is used to divert at 45 degree in pipeline? Which is used to divert at 45 degree in pipeline? By using coupling, elbow, reducer, none of these. Right answer is B. Elbow. Elbow. Diverted at 45 degree in pipeline. Next question. Where universal coupling is used? Where universal coupling is used? A. Automobile vehicle. B. Textile mills. C. Engineering machine. D. None of these. Right answer is A. Automobile vehicle. Automobile vehicle. Next question. Which valve is used to permit fluid flow in one direction only? Which valve is used to permit fluid flow in one direction only? Plug coke, needle valve, non-return valve. So which valve to permit flow in one direction? Right answer is C. Non-return valve. Non-return valve. C is the correct answer. Next question. Which bearing is used in the limited space? Which bearing is used in the limited space? Thrust bearing, needle bearing, taper roll bearing, none of these. Right answer is B. Needle bearing is used in limited space. Next question. Which bearing loading is at right angle of the bearing axis? Which bearing loading is at right angle of the bearing axis. Thrust bearing, general bearing, solid bearing, none of these. So at right angle axis, which bearing? B, general bearing. B is the right answer. B is the right answer, general bearing. Next question. Which bearing carry the load parallel to its bearing axis? Which bearing carry the load parallel to its bearing axis? Bearing axis. A, split bearing. B, plain bearing. C, thrust bearing. D, none of these. Correct answer is C, thrust bearing. Thrust bearing the load parallel to its bearing axis. So student, today 20 important question completed. Please subscribe my channel. Point 91 and like the video. Thank you very much.